just hair fall can be so stressful. Imagine how it would be to lose all of it within a fortnight. This condition is called alopecia areata, which is an autoimmune disorder wherein a person loses hair in patches from the head, eyebrows, eyelashes, beard, mustache, and other parts of the body. Alopecia areata shows up as small patches of hairless areas which join together to form larger patches. What is truly terrifying is that approximately half of such patients develop this condition before the age of 20. A quarter of such cases may lead to a condition called alopecia totalis, which is a total loss of hair on the scalp. In some cases, it may also lead to total hair loss all over the body, a condition called alopecia universalis. What are the top 3 concerns of alopecia areata patients? First, can I stop my patches from spreading? The truth is, it's difficult. This is an autoimmune disorder and by definition, completely unpredictable. One can have a single patch for months for no apparent reason can start to spread rapidly. Second query, will my hair regrow? The answer is a definite yes in most cases. Except where the scalp has been scarred from topical injections, you can absolutely regrow your hair with oral homeopathic medication. And finally, can alopecia areata relapse? Yes, it can, especially when your immunity goes down or when you undergo a difficult and stressful time. In fact, the relapse rate is as high as 50% in cases that have been treated using conventional treatment of local steroid injections. Not to speak of side effects such as high blood pressure, weight gain, mood swings, and even kidney failure. However, I have found the results from homeopathic treatment to be truly long-lasting, with relapses being very rare. In fact, a research study showed that patients using homeopathy had a relapse rate of only 9%. Homeopathy offers a safe, effective, and long-lasting solution for alopecia areata. In a study in Scotland, 90% of patients with patchy hair loss opted for homeopathy and it helped them regrow their hair. Here are 3 common homeopathic remedies for alopecia areata. For hair loss in patches, acid fluor is the first choice. For alopecia areata triggered by past grief such as the death of a loved one, Natromure is indicated. For patches that appear after recent disappointment in love, Ignatia may be useful. Here are 3 self-help tips to manage alopecia areata. Step 1. Manage your stress. Manage your stress well to keep the spread of patches under control. Practice yoga, deep breathing exercises, and meditation to relax. Step 2. Increase your vitamin D intake. So make sure you get enough of early morning sun. Natural vitamin D supplements also help. Step 3. Wear a hat or a scarf. They cover your bald patches and protect your head from the harsh sunlight during the day. If Christopher Reeve could suffer from alopecia areata and turn into Superman, so can you. Until your hair grows back, enjoy being the bold and the beautiful. Till we meet again, stay healthy, stay happy.